Hello, if you are wondering if there is a power adapter inside the box of Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, then the answer is unfortunately no. If you take a look at the back of the box, you will find this graphic information that the power adapter is not included, meaning that if you want to charge your device with a charger or power adapter, you will have to use any other power adapter that you have already, or you have to purchase a new one, ideally of course made by Samsung, as it will be the most compatible one with the smartphone. In terms of recommendations for the charger, over here we can also find the information. The charger should have something between 10 to 25 watts. However, I'm pretty sure you can exceed that number. You can use a little bit stronger charger as well, or power adapter, and it should be completely fine. The USB cable of course is inside the box, so you don't have to purchase that. At least you have the USB cable, so if you are in a critical situation where you have to charge your device, you can still use the USB cable in order to charge your device and connect it to a PC or laptop or MacBook or whatever you have. But besides that, you have to purchase the power adapter individually. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!